Hello, everyone. It's PJ Patterson, chairman of the Independent Finance Brokers Forum. This is your monthly meeting reminder. It's coming up on September the 2nd, which is, of course, the first Wednesday in the month of September at the usual spot, the Rose Hill Bowling Club. Please be there about 10 a.m. for a 10:30 start. We've got an awesome meeting lined up for the month of September. It is going to really be focused around women in finance. We have Tanya Sale, who is the only female aggregator CEO in Australia. She's going to be in to talk to us about what's going on in the industry and present on women in finance and how women can get more involved in the finance industry. We also have Donelle Brooks. She's the CEO of Finanzor and has been a longtime supporter and runs the Women's Commercial Finance Forum. So again, everything this month is going to be focused on the topic of women in finance. So any women out there that are in the finance industry that are looking for a place to come to where you are supported and where we are encouraging women in finance, please don't hesitate to come along to the IFBF. And for any of our members who are women, please invite some of your colleagues and your friends along to enjoy the meeting. We do have that awesome lineup. The usual stuff will happen. We've got our sponsors who will present and the networking aspect of it. We are hopefully in the last throes of winter. I hope that all of you are staying healthy and not getting sick. I know there's a little bit of that going around at the moment. So please, again, put in your calendar, 2nd of September, Wednesday, Rose Hill Bowling Club, 10 a.m. for a 10:30 start. We finish around 12:30. I'll see you there.